Today we're checking out these Raxiom RBX LED taillights with black housings and smoked lenses for the 2015 to 2020 F-150 with the factory halogen taillights. If you're ready to upgrade the rear end with sharper lighting, that modern look, and better visibility overall, these are a clean plug-and-play swap that are definitely worth checking out. The number one feature is gonna have to be that these taillights offer a big visual upgrade with those smoked lenses and the stealthy black housings paired with that, giving your truck a modern and high-end look from behind. The LED modules inside are brighter than your stock halogen setup, which means improved brake and taillight visibility for other drivers around you, which is always a nice bonus with all those distracted drivers. Because it's designed exactly for the F-150, these are a perfect plug-and-play setup, and if you stick with me, we'll show you that install just here in a minute. When it comes to the construction, these housings are made from durable ABS plastics, and the smoked lenses are impact and UV resistant polycarbonate, so you get strength and style that you know is gonna last you the long haul. The LEDs run cooler, they draw less current, and they're just overall a great upgrade over those stock bulbs. Now when it comes to the price on these, they're coming in right in that $300 price range for the pair. Now that's a solid value when you consider you're getting two tail lights with modern LED lighting and that blacked out style that really ramps up the back of the truck's look. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can get this job done in just 30 minutes of your time. So let's head on out to the shop and we're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you're going to need various ratchets, an 8mm socket, a 7/32 socket, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Today we're going to be installing taillights on our F-150. But before we get started, we're going to watch a quick video on how to uninstall them.
So the first step of this install is going to be using a 8mm socket to remove the 2 bolts that secure the taillight to the vehicle. We're going to unbolt the taillight and unplug the connectors and remove the taillight from the truck.
Welcome back. Before we get started, we're going to install our resistor onto our resistor bracket. You're going to need a 7/32 socket, and you're going to need a ratchet and a Phillips head screwdriver. I had to grab a bigger screwdriver because the other one was too small. Then once you have that tightened down, you're going to take your clips and attach them like this. Next, we're going to take our harness adapter and connect it to these 2 connectors. You'll notice that one of them is a 2-prong, one of them is a 3-prong. In this case, the 2-prong one is green, so we'll connect it here. And then the 3-pronged one is brown. Then we're going to take our resistor plate. We're going to install it in here like this. After we do that, we can take our harness and connect it and install the tail light. After that, we're going to take our 8mm socket, our ratchet, and we're going to tighten down these 2 bolts here and here. Now after you have completed the install of this taillight, you can do the same thing on the other side. Alrighty, that about wraps up this review and install of the Raxiom RBX LED taillights and black housing smoked lenses for a 2015 to 2020 F-150 with factory halogen taillights. Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.